Mango, I'm gonna go pick up your sister. Are you excited? You excited about having a new sister? Also on our way to pick up a new little puppy dog. It's also another Pomeranian, but she's gonna be white and her name's gonna be Coconut. We're gonna call her Coco for short, and we're very excited to have a new family member in our family. Mango, do you like Coconut's bed? You want it for yourself, don't ya?
Daddy loves you, and in time, you will learn to love Daddy. And
Oh, she's
and
so
Mango.
cute. She's sleepy.
Or hypoglycemic.
I think she's
Let's
already
go.
hypoglycemic. Don't scare her.
I'm sniffing her.
What does she smell like?
Kennel.
We're now taking our little puppy Coconut to meet her big sister Mango, so we hope they get along. Hey Coconut, you ready to meet your sister? Mango! Hi Mango! Hi Mango, who is this? Oh.
That way I gotta put a shot.
Mango, are you afraid of the little puppy? She's afraid of the little puppy. Coconut? What you doing? Are you chilling out there? You like your sister, Mango? You like your sister?